Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to add privacy policy in Squarespace. To add a privacy policy to a Squarespace website, you can create a new page and add it to your website footer. Now log into your Squarespace account and select your site. For now, let's select this site right here. Click Pages in the side menu. Click the plus icon, then blank page. Now name the page privacy policy. Click Edit above. Click Add Section, then select Add a blank section. Now in this section, click on the Add block and select Text. After that, enter or paste your privacy policy into the paragraph block. Double check your privacy policy, and then click Done, and hit Save. Now let's add it on the website footer. Scroll into the footer section, and double click it or simply click on the Edit footer. Next, click on the plus sign icon to add a new block. Select the text block and simply type privacy policy. Click the link icon and then select the privacy policy page. Now click Save at the top to save the changes. After doing all of that, then you can now preview your website and then click on the privacy policy button on your website, and there you'll see the privacy policy tab that you've made for your website in Squarespace. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.